Imagine an animal whose heart completely stops beating. Its lungs no longer work, its blood no longer flows. Its body freezes solid, just like a block of ice. And then, months later, it wakes up and hops away. This isn't a myth or science fiction. It's real, and it's happening every winter. Meet the wood frog, one of the most remarkable survivors in the natural world. Wood frogs live across northern North America, from the forests of the United States to the far reaches of Canada and Alaska. These are places where winter temperatures drop far below freezing, sometimes staying that way for months. Most animals avoid these conditions by migrating, hibernating deep underground, or staying active with thick insulation. The wood frog does none of that. Instead, it stays right where it is and freezes. As winter approaches, the wood frog settles beneath fallen leaves, soil, or snow on the forest floor. When temperatures drop, ice begins to form inside its body. Up to 70% of the frog's body water turns to ice. Its heart stops beating. Breathing stops completely. Brain activity shuts down. From every medical perspective, the frog appears dead. But before freezing, the wood frog prepares in an extraordinary way. Its liver releases massive amounts of glucose into the bloodstream. This sugar floods the frog cells, acting as a natural antifreeze. The glucose protects vital organs like the heart and brain, preventing ice crystals from puncturing and destroying delicate cell membranes. Other chemicals in the frog's body help stabilize proteins and tissues during the freeze. As ice forms, the frog's organs shrink and its body becomes stiff and motionless. It remains frozen like this for weeks or even months, enduring temperatures that would kill almost any other amphibian. Then spring arrives. As the snow melts and temperatures rise, the ice inside the frog's body begins to thaw. Water slowly returns to the cells. The heart starts beating again. Oxygen flows back into the blood. Brain activity resumes. The frog wakes up. Within hours, the wood frog begins to move. Soon after, it hops away, feeds, and behaves as if nothing extraordinary has happened. Even more astonishing, wood frogs waste no time once they thaw. They often begin breeding almost immediately, sometimes while ice is still floating in their ponds. Males call loudly to attract mates, and eggs are laid in cold, temporary pools formed by melting snow. This fast start gives their tadpoles a huge advantage. By growing quickly in early spring, they can complete development before summer ponds dry up. The wood frog is the only frog species known to survive being frozen solid for long periods. Scientists call this ability freeze tolerance, and it's extremely rare in the animal kingdom. Because of this, wood frogs are studied closely by scientists. Understanding how their cells survive freezing could one day help improve the preservation of human organs for transplant, or protect tissues from cold-related damage. The wood frog shows us that survival doesn't always mean escaping danger. Sometimes survival means slowing down completely, stopping, freezing, and waiting for the right moment to come back to life.